Hey guys, I'm trying to find out where in the book Christine ends up in Florida. Anyways, I'm in Kissimmee for the Mecum Auctions 2020, and they are selling one of the movie cars from Christine. And originally this was given away in a sweepstakes. Out of 40,000 people, one guy won the car. Now, this car was apparently used in the assembly line scene at the very beginning, and also in the football scene when Arnie's making out with his girlfriend. And apparently this is only one of two that are still in existence. And now it's going up on auction. One of the biggest questions is, why is the owner selling his Christine car? Well, there comes a time where you've had the car for too long and you want other people to share in its brilliance. So it's time to pass it on to the next owner. Hopefully Christine doesn't take advantage of the next owner, though. I can't believe there's so many obstructions in front of Christine. Only a shitter would do this. Estimated to sell for $400,000 to $500,000. So I'm very curious to see how much this car actually sells for.